Stroke warriors, and welcome. As you can see from my Tameshiwari intro, the human mind and body is capable of incredible feats. Long before I met my fate with stroke, I understood the brain's ability to command the body to adapt, heal, and perform seemingly unreal tasks. It is this knowledge that brought me back to what I am today. I want you all to know this ability is in all of you. It just needs to be awakened through discipline and training. I want to share it with you because I feel nothing is more important to stroke recovery than this. The drive not to let stroke disability define you. Martial arts harmonizes the interaction between the brain and the body through endless repetition of movements and body conditioning. These skills have been taught and practiced for centuries, long before neuroplasticity became a thing. You must now internalize what I tell you and take action. Not next week, now. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to fix your disabilities. The first videos will seem easy, but perfect them because the succeeding videos will become more and more intense. I look forward to training with you in my videos and slowly reveal the superhuman in you. Watch the Tamashiwari again, and you will see that that ability is in you. Get up and let's get to work.